What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Another rainy day here in Florida in my garage. Today we're going to be doing another video on the TRX. Going to be installing another accessory to the TRX. So if you're like me and you own the Peasant Edition TRX, aka the base model that doesn't have the wireless charging port, this is going to be for you. So let me go ahead over here and show you what I'm talking about. And that is this bad boy right here. This is the fast wireless car charger from LasFit right there. As you can see, this is a phone holder, but it is also a wireless car charger as well. So you could have, your phone hands-free displayed. So if you want to use any sort of app on your phone, you don't have to hold it in your hand. You can have it up on a stand, and it also charges your phone at the exact same time. So this is exactly how it comes from LasFit, and you can kind of see it right there. Just a quick demonstration. I am obviously going to be installing this today, but just so you can see the packaging. And in this one, I also optioned for the fast charge, so that's in here. Let me go ahead and open this up real quick so you can see it's just the actual base itself right there. That is the fast charger. So we're going to be installing this today. Once again, perfect for you peasant TRX owners out there that don't have the wireless charging in your truck. So let's open this up and get this installed. Alright guys, so now we're inside the truck. Obviously, you just saw me do a quick assembly there of the wireless charger. It's super simple. You do have two mounting options there. You could use this actual suction cup with like the pivoting mount that I have installed up here that you saw me assemble. You also have the smaller clip version of it. In my truck, if you've watched some of my other videos, I do have the the Mid-East. If you've watched some of my other videos, you'll know that I do have the mounting system up here for all the sorts of accessories and all that, and I'd really like to figure out a way how I can mount this into there. But for right now, the suction cup works perfectly right up on like this little plastic piece right up there. So you can see it makes it super simple because you have the little plug right here that you can go ahead and plug it into. So yeah, as you can see, super simple. And it's super cool. It's all lit up now. Another cool feature of this actual wireless charger, hold on for 1 second so I can go ahead and show you this, is you see it's all lit up. You just come right here, push that one side, see it retracts, and then you just go ahead, drop your phone into it, it'll automatically retract, and boom, look at that, starts wireless charging instantly. Super cool. So you could be hands-free right here driving. You can have easy access to your phone up here, so you're not looking down, holding your phone, doing stuff you're not supposed to be doing. Or you can do stuff you're not supposed to be doing, like you can go up here and hold on, sorry guys, let me turn you away. You can go up here and go to your favorite YouTube channel. You see right up here, you can go and watch the Wimmy YouTube channel if you want. You go up there and watch some YouTube if you're, parked, of course, if you're parked. Or, you could go up here and, you can go on FaceTime if you want to. Or if you're supposed to be working and you need to take a Zoom call, you could go up here and do a Zoom call. I'm not condoning any of these actions, but if you are going to do it, at least do it when it's hands-free. But don't, I'm just joking around. Be responsible. But super cool. And obviously this isn't just for a TRX. If you have a, you know, any other car, like I'm gonna use this quite a bit in my work van as well. I don't have navigation in there, so I could easily just throw this up, suction cup it to the windshield up here, and I can, you know, go to my map setting right up in here, go to maps, and look at that, I have, you know, GPS right up here, and you know, it's all hands-free, and it's charging my phone at the same time. So super cool product, especially if you are a Ram TRX owner like myself and you are rocking the Poverty Edition. So LasFit has supplied me with a 10% discount code for all you guys. It's going to be WIMYA10. Use that code at checkout and you are going to get 10% off, not just their wireless charger, but anything on the website. But take it from me, this thing is super cool. And look at that, you just come up here again, you push the sides, look at that, you get your phone right out of there. I think that's just super cool. Welcome to the future, everyone. Look at that, you put it right back in there, retracts again, instantly starts charging. Super cool. Charge your phone while being safe, not holding your phone in your hand while you're driving, hands-free. This is an awesome product. So yeah guys, like I was saying, you don't need to have a TRX to use this thing. I'm in my Ram ProMaster right now. This is my work van, and as you can see, it works perfectly fine just in here as well. You run it down to the plug down here, you plug it in, drop your phone right in there, it'll close it, and boom, instant charge right there. So you could be cruising to work, you can go up here, mess with the maps, everything like that, FaceTime your loved ones, whatever you need to do. So yeah, again, not a TRX product whatsoever, just a universal wireless car charger, car mount from LasFit, WIMYA10, 10% discount. So yeah guys, just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys for today. Quick little install on the channel. Stay tuned for more stuff. Again, discount code right here, WIMYA10, on their entire website. But not only that, I am going to have a link down in the description below directly to this product. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I get a small little commission if you go ahead and use that link. So if you like me and you want to support the channel as well, you want to see some more super cool stuff on the channel, go ahead, use that link, use the discount code, and yeah, it helps all of us out. You get a small discount, I get a small little kickback, we're all happy. All right guys, my name's Will, this is the WIMYA YouTube channel. It's been real. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.